Additive manufacturing is changing the way that parts are prototyped and produced, but post-printing inefficiencies are prohibiting full scalability. The DEMI family of additive solutions is the world's only intelligent resin and support removal technology proven to unlock additive's full potential. Patented submerged vortex cavitation (SVC) technology unleashes unprecedented speed and consistency for automated finishing of your material extrusion, material jetting, and photopolymer 3D printed parts. An integrated approach of software, hardware, and chemistry will transform your post-printing operation with unparalleled productivity. While material jetting is renowned for intricate parts, traditional finishing carries a high risk of breakage and may require significant manual labor. The DEMI family's integrated approach minimizes operator errors and reduces hands-on time in your workflow by more than 80%. Material extrusion methods are highly scalable, but long post-printing cycles can limit throughput. By minimizing drying time and overall finishing time, the DEMI solutions boost your operation's productivity for scalable production. Photopolymer 3D printing heavily relies on hazardous solvents like IPA for cumbersome resin removal. The patent-pending technologies used in the DEMI solutions are developed to bring you safer, faster, and more sustainable resin removal while outlasting alternative solvents. The DEMI family is comprised of the 200, 400, 800, 900, and 4000 series solutions, designed to grow with your operation. Developed to meet increasing volume demands, the DEMI 400 and 800 series solutions enable high-performance support and resin removal. The DEMI 4000 series is the world's only automated solution for production-scale resin removal. Built to seamlessly process large photopolymer part sizes or builds, you'll experience game-changing cycle times and maximize your throughput. Backed by the data of tens of thousands of benchmark parts, the automated platform is the brains of the operation, providing you with one-touch processing for precision operation. Dynamic software-controlled agitation algorithms manage various energy sources to finish your part geometries with data-driven accuracy. Solutions are equipped with recipe storage and recall for repeatable production, making your post-printing as simple as press play and walk away. Accelerate your additive operations with the world's most trusted solutions for automated 3D printing support and resin removal. Spend more time printing and less time post-printing with PostProcess, the industry pioneer.